What separates a successful pop-up drink stand from one that fails comes down to three things: a strong location with real foot traffic, a drink that people cannot easily get anywhere else, and fast, friendly service that keeps the line moving. Think of a pop-up drink stand like a lemonade stand that grew up. The spot you choose matters more than almost anything else, because even the tastiest drink will not sell if nobody walks by to see it. A successful stand usually sets up near busy places like parks, farmers markets, or events where people are already outside and looking for something refreshing. Something a lot of people do not realize is that having a unique or eye-catching drink like a fun flavor combo or a pretty layered look makes people want to take pictures, and those pictures become free advertising when friends share them online. Speed also matters a ton, because if people see a long, slow line, many will just walk away instead of waiting. The best stands prep ingredients ahead of time so they can make drinks in under 1 minute each. Little things like a clear menu with only 4 or 5 choices also help, since too many options can confuse customers and slow everything down. One common mistake is picking a location without checking if it is legal or allowed, so always ask permission first or you could get shut down on your very first day. Another big issue is running out of ice or cups halfway through a busy afternoon, so always bring more supplies than you think you will need, maybe even double. A lot of new stand owners also forget to price their drinks based on their true costs, which can make them lose money without even realizing it. So figure out your cost per cup first and then add a fair profit on top. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.